Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's live stream. Let's actually talk about Bitcoin here in just a second. And that's all I really have to say right now. Good morning. Hi, guys. Okay, I'm also eating some oats. Let me just get some one last bite before I go on my rant about Bitcoin, okay? Oats are good, man. Oats are good for you. Okay. I have two of these open? God damn it. Does anybody remember which? Okay, well, we're just going to right click. Go here. Okay. Oh, well, let's use this one, right? Because I already have this one set up how I want it. Okay, let's do it. Good morning, everybody. Today let's talk about the current condition for Bitcoin and what exactly is happening to cause this lateral move and how we can actually expect the rest of the week to play out, right? So if we pop down on the 1 hour chart and load our longest overexpanded period as defined by the 3D wave PM. 1 second, let's slow that up, 275. And let's just make this independent so we can have a good understanding of what's happening over here. Beautiful. Okay. Now, is anyone curious as to why this recent breakout failed or why this wick happened? Right, that was, oh shoot. That's quite the wick. Hold on. That might have stopped me out. That's entertaining. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to check the XBit chart as well. I'll do that in a second. All right, because I need to figure out what mark price is because that might have taken me out there. Anyway. Well, we have lateral trading as defined by the longest overexpanded period, right? So we get this nice chop going through here because it is implied we will revert down to this relative mean, right? And as long as that mean reversion is implied, price will stay inside this purple band rather accurately, okay? And as this just continues to compress, price will continue to trade laterally until this value right here, right, the 275 period reads below a 0.7 value. And honestly, that is very close to happening. That will happen within the next 2 days. So, if we're expecting that to happen within 2 days, well, that means this flag formation that's happening here is going to end in the very near future, okay? So as this lateral trading continues, we do need to buckle up and be careful with how the rest of this week very well could play out. So, again, just this nice little sideways move is prone to end in the next few days. And this upward wick here does concern me because I need to check if I stopped out of my orders. So I don't really have much else to say today. In fact, I don't really feel like publishing this idea at all because I didn't say much at all, did I? Okay. Well, this is being honest. I'm just going to stop this, right? Because I didn't say much today. No trading view idea for you today. Okay. Well, let me look at my phone, figure out what charts you want me to look at. 1 second. Okay. I'm just going to check XBT boost here real quick. Make sure I didn't get fucked. Oh, that's very close. Now, I've set it on mark price. And because I have set it on mark price, I'm actually not 100% sure what happened to me. So I'm going to have to load this in and see how I did. I'll check this on the 1 minute chart because I'm curious. Okay. No, that makes sense. That probably stopped me out. We'll have to check. Anyway, but the resulting mean reversion was kind of nice. And then there's this all this generated mass right here. All right, that was very tradable. So it actually crossed that longest pivot, which probably are out here. That could have been a small trade to take. And anyway, now we're just getting that big section of compression. So oh, shoot, I'm drawing a blank. Does anyone remember how they calculate mark price? It's a combination between two exchanges, right? Because we could probably just make that chart ourselves. If anyone remembers, let me know. How's everyone doing today? Yeah? Are we happy to be back in the normal live stream time? Luna and Waves. Yeah, I'm also going to talk about Ethereum real quick. I haven't been awake for very long, so I want to check out why my Ethereum position stopped out as well, okay? Okay, wow. Yeah, that's actually a really nice breakout. Let's find out why this didn't work. Okay, because this is a rare scenario. Let's find the longest overexpanded period of mass, and I'm going to want accurate results here. Okay, 275. Oh, 275. Yeah, this was very convincing case for mean reversion. Okay, so this might have been a scenario where I rushed a lump, right, and didn't check everything I could have, right? So I like to believe that there's never going to be a time where I don't understand what happened. Okay, right now we're in that state of not understanding. Right now, from what we're looking at on this chart, we entered a mean reversion condition. We got a mean reversion signal in the CCI, and then the mean reversion failed. Why? What caused this failure? Absolutely. Okay. Well, let's first we're gonna set everything to default settings on our Bollinger Bands and Quad CCI. Okay. So just from a Quad CCI perspective, yeah, that would have been a short signal right there. So let's go on the daily, see if there's any benchmarks. Yeah, let's see. I would try to draw some parallels with the daily 50 moving average there and the high price volatility directly on top of it. Yeah. Although, still, even with the mean reversion below it, I still would have implied that downward expansion. And then this wave PM cross is just finally starting to occur, which does imply long-term trend continuation, which is interesting. Let's check the mass generated up here on the 4 hour, yeah? 60 period. No, that probably would have, yeah, that would have generated a mean reversion signal as well. Okay. Do we perhaps have a higher period mean reversion that's happening that we don't know about? I would guess that's the problem. Oh. Oh my God. Of course. Guys, look at this right here, this mass. Oh, fuck, of course. Somebody give me a longer time frame chart for FBTC. Hold on. Okay, this downward move had a mass rating of 600 on the daily. All right, let's see if we actually... Yeah. Okay. So here's our answer. we generated too much mass on this downward move. Okay, and we actually just got our mean inversion condition right here when we return to the side of this band. And then we traded laterally as defined by the longest overexpanded period. Okay, test, and now trend. Yeah, so it is technically implied that we'll retrace up to 600 MA on the daily, which is very optimistic. But the condition of the daily mean inversion trumped the condition of the 1 hour mean inversion. Okay. Long-term bullish mean inversions are going to cancel out bearish mean inversions on the shorter time frames. Okay, there's your answer. I'm satisfied. Let's move on. Let's check out Loon. Breakout. Really? Just from looking at this right now, I'll tell you what I think. Right, we have a new bout of upward expansion after a period of relative compression. So really, we're just going to want to wait on a shorter time frame, wait for this generated mass to identify the proper pivots for us to actually trade. And then, once we figure out what the longest overexpanded period and we start seeing those retracement values hitting, then we'll be able to make some trades here. But nothing yet. I'll check out Waves. Waves is getting delisted, right? Okay, which is, it's being pretty goofy, all things considered. I would not expect that kind of bullish reversal after getting delisted. Not after the way something like Cloak has been behaving. Oh, I'm on the 15-minute, no wonder. I don't really have much of an opinion on this. Sorry. I got nothing for you. I mean, yeah. Check out gas. Man, I'm really bad at TA on these kinds of charts. I mean, just to make a point, I'm going to show you where I took profit on AppCoin a few days ago. Actually, you know what? I took profit on AppCoin right here. Okay, that's where my stop loss wicked me out. Though really, against current price, I mean, I guess I can't complain. Oh, actually, we might be able to try a re-entry on AppCoin here. Who knows? If we can figure out the mass generated from this bad boy. Ooh, hold on. I know I'm going on a tangent here, but this might be profitable. Okay, 150 or 140. Oh my God. Oh, it's really clean. Yeah, 3-to-1 profit ratio. I'm gonna take that. I'm coming back to this. Okay. It's actually a really good entry right now. Really good entry. Look how well respected that pivot is of the bottom edge of the most overexpanded band. That's really good. Okay. Cool. Remind me to come back to this. I need to look at gas right now, though. Okay. Oh, 1 second. Just waiting for 3 to 8 p.m. over here. Christ, it's an overexpansion on the 4 hour. No, this is currently not tradable, okay? Because our mean inversion pivots are all the way down here somewhere, and well, that just means we have to wait for those kind of pivots to be before getting any kind of retracement values, right? So I'm not interested in trading this at this time. KNC, please. Pretty sure I did a small KNC call last night. KNC. I probably have a small bag of KNC. Oh, look at that. I did. Ah, I got wicked out. Okay. That's too bad. Yeah, I mean, sure, it still looks bullish. I mean, my stop loss got hit, but oh well. Don't trouble yourself. Oh. PPT uptrend on the daily. Yeah, I'm not inclined to stay on the daily for this kind of chart. Let's take a look at the 90 period here. Okay. Find out what the 90 period tells us. Wow, okay. That's really nice to find. Look at how every time it touches the purple band, trend sees continuation. Yeah, let's bet on that again. I'm just going to set an alert right here, you know? I call that. Andre, I can't do BTT. I don't want to. I will, however, check Komodo. Actually, yeah, I'm slightly annoyed. I released a trade call for Komodo, but I didn't create the chart for it. I just kind of posted it in the chat. Holy hell, that really took off. God damn, we caught the bottom on this, guys. One sec, I need to find it. $18 to 1, or 9 to 1 profit ratio on this. Almost 10 to 1. Oh my god, I should have made a chart for this. Look at this, a 2% stop loss and almost a 20% upside. And it was right there. Right, let's actually find the right value. 2045. 2045. Holy hell, we caught the exact bottom. Right there. That's where our buy-in was, guys. And now what kind of upside have we just seen? 30%. Oh my god. Okay, well, I wish I took that. I could tell you why I took this trade like I did. Because mean reversion pivots are always well respected. Hooray! Okay, 180. Ready? I'm about to lose your mind. I joined a Telegram group. I don't know why. I'm going to close it. It doesn't tell me anything. Okay, this is why. Mean reversion pivots are very well respected because if you stay above, you trend. If you go below, you go to the mean, right? Unless it's Ethereum. Man, I lost a lot of money on that chart. Okay, guys, I actually need to check up on my BitMEX orders. I'm going to call this live stream a little bit short today. However, it has been a pleasure, and I'll talk to you all later. Oh, like this video if you may. It would be much appreciated. See you guys.